Hello, everyone. It is Mr. Beck here, and I would like to start off the class with talking about time management systems. So, out of out of everybody here, like who uses time management systems? Yes? Okay. Matthew, you use Google Calendars, okay? Google Tasks, yeah, the to-do list. Awesome. Okay, so today I want to share with you guys a time management system called the Pomodoro technique. And I want you guys to use this to improve your language learning. So you want to invest your time in, let's say vocabulary, pronunciation, reading comprehension, writing, etc. So the Pomodoro technique, Pomodoro, first of all, means tomato in Italian. All right. So there's a man named Francesco Cirillo, and he was looking for looking for ways to spend his time most as productively as possible. So what ended up happening is he saw a kitchen timer shaped as a tomato. Italian uh, uh, in Italian it's pomodoro, so a tomato shaped kitchen timer, and he saw that it had it it went up to 25 minutes. So he started using this timer to be focused in whatever task he was trying to do. And that, sprung up the Pomodoro technique. So basically what happened was he's able to uh, basically to use the Pomodoro technique, you have to do 5 things. First is get a to-do list and a timer. Second is set your timer for 25 minutes and focus on a single task until the timer rings. Third would be when your session ends, mark off 1 Pomodoro and record what you completed. Fourth would be you have to enjoy a 5-minute break. Fifth would be after four Pomodoros, take a longer, more restorative 15 to 30-minute break. So right now I'm going to start a Pomodoro timer, okay? I'm going to start it with my computer, actually. I have this app on my computer. So the task you guys are going to do is you guys are going to read the Pomodoro article and write about it, the technique. Again, the task is for you to read the Pomodoro article and write about the technique. All right. So I'm going to start a Pomodoro session. All right. So for the next 15 minutes, I want you to read the Pomodoro article. Good. If you have any questions on any words, you can ask me, all right? Okay, how far are you guys into this? Are you guys doing good? Right, now that the 15 minutes has passed, I want you to discuss with your classmate about the key points of the reading, okay? So I'll give you a few minutes to do that. What were the key points? What were the major points that you learned from the reading? Okay, once you have discussed this with your partner, now I'm going to share my screen with my Zoom app, Zoom program actually, and I will show you the Pomodoro app that you can use for the future, okay? So let's say, let's go back to here. Here is, the program is in Korean because my Korean account, my account is in Korean. So you could, okay, as you can see, the blinking cursor, you are supposed to put the task. Let's say study vocabulary. Okay, you press enter. Then you could say, what else can we do? Read Forest, let's say read Great Gatsby. So after this, you can press enter And if you look at this, this is a great piece of technology. You look here, and you could set your Pomodoros as follows. So you could do 3 Pomodoros. Okay, let's say 3 Pomodoros of Great Gatsby. So if you go back, there's 3 Pomodoros right there. It's very interesting. What else do you want to do? Practice pronunciation with Steve Jobs presentation video. So that could be another one. And like just now, you could do this for, let's say, 2 Pomodoros. Very, very convenient. And the objective should be to do as many Pomodoros as possible throughout the day, kind of like accumulating points when you're playing a computer game or when you're playing basketball or some sort of sport. You want to do as many Pomodoros as possible, and the more you do that, the more you'll be able to do that much more work. So try to aim for a high average of Pomodoros. Then you can become a very effective person. So now, since we have some time left, we're going to continue to do the Pomodoro that we were working on before. I gave you 15 minutes to read the article. Now I'm going to give you 10 more minutes to finish up the Pomodoro. What I mean by that is you have to finish up the 25-minute session. So 10 minutes is going to be about, I'll stop sharing for now. It's going to be about writing about what are the benefits of the Pomodoro technique. And the second would be, how can you do as many Pomodoro sessions as possible? So that would be the next writing objective for you. So go ahead. I'm going to turn on the Pomodoro timer once again and go ahead and start to write. 10 minutes. Okay. 10 minutes is over. Are you guys done? Did you need any help? Okay, so now since we have a little bit more time, I want you to share your writing with your classmate. All right. So I want you to share the different benefits, and if you learn something new from your classmate, you could write it down as well. Okay. And yeah, just continue to share. So class, we will probably end around here. So what did you guys learn? You learned about the Pomodoro technique. You learned about the app that you can use, and you can use this powerful, powerful technique in order to be as productive as possible. So good luck, and I recommend you to download the app and just continue to do as many Pomodoro sessions as possible. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.